GORWARE, headlights with LED. The GORWARE headlights with LED DRL tube are an exceptional addition to any vehicle. With their chrome housing and sleek design, they not only enhance the overall aesthetics of the vehicle, but also provide superior lighting performance. One of the standout features of these headlights is the LED DRL, daytime running light tube. This unique feature not only improves visibility during the day, but also adds a modern touch to the vehicle's front end. The LED technology ensures a bright and crisp light output, making your vehicle more visible to other drivers on the road. Installation of the GORWARE headlights is straightforward and hassle-free. They are designed to be a direct fit replacement for the original headlights, requiring no modifications. The package includes all the necessary hardware and wiring harness, making the installation process quick and convenient. In terms of performance, these headlights deliver exceptional illumination,